Track mode transforms your Tesla Model 3 or Model S into a performance machine optimized for closed-track driving. It's available on Model 3 performance variants and all Model S trims with air suspension and the necessary ECU. Track mode reconfigures various systems to prioritize handling, acceleration, and stability, and should only be used by experienced drivers on closed tracks. First, ensure your Tesla is a compatible model like the Model 3 or Model S performance variant. The vehicle must be in park with at least 20% battery charge for optimal performance. Navigate to the touchscreen controls. Go to Controls, then Driving, and select Track Mode from the menu. Select Enter Track Mode and carefully acknowledge all safety warnings. The system will prompt you to confirm tire pressure and disable autopilot. Once activated, the car automatically adjusts suspension, traction control, and power delivery for optimal track performance. As of late 2025 firmware, these mandatory safety prompts help ensure safe operation. Tesla's Track Mode offers extensive customization to optimize your driving experience on the track. You can adjust suspension stiffness, choose softer settings for a more comfortable ride, or firmer settings for enhanced track handling and stability. Torque vectoring is another key customization, distributing power to individual wheels for improved traction and cornering performance. In newer software versions, the Track Prep submenu lets you preset lap timers and thermal thresholds for greater control during your track sessions. These customizations directly impact your vehicle's performance, as shown in power and torque curves that optimize for track driving. Track mode significantly alters vehicle behavior. It increases regenerative braking, stiffens adaptive dampers, and fine-tunes the all-wheel drive system. This can boost 0 to 60 miles per hour times by up to 0.5 seconds on performance models. It is important to be aware that the system monitors battery temperature, activating cooling fans to prevent overheating. Track mode significantly impacts battery range due to high energy demands. Expect up to 50% less range per track session. The system actively monitors battery temperature, engaging cooling fans aggressively to manage heat. Monitor the consumption display to track energy use during track sessions. Use tools like voltmeters and thermometers to check battery health. Even in track mode, electric cars remain more efficient than traditional vehicles. Plan sessions by reviewing range data and adjusting expectations. Plan your track sessions accordingly and keep a close eye on the battery level and temperature. Tesla incorporates several important safety mechanisms into track mode to help protect both the vehicle and the driver during high-performance driving. Here you can see a summary of Tesla's safety features, which include autopilot and forward collision warning. But in track mode, additional specific protections are activated. One key safety mechanism is the speed limit, which caps the vehicle at 140 miles per hour or 224 kilometers per hour to prevent excessive speeds that could be dangerous. Cruise control is automatically disabled in track mode to ensure the driver maintains full manual control at all times, preventing any automated speed maintenance that could interfere with track driving. The system continuously monitors tire wear through sensors and provides maintenance alerts if tire pressure drops or wear becomes excessive, helping to prevent blowouts during intense track sessions. It is imperative to understand these safety mechanisms and always drive within your skill limits. Track mode is designed for experienced drivers in controlled environments only, not for public roads. To exit track mode, select Exit Track Mode on the touchscreen. This ensures the vehicle returns to standard driving settings immediately. Alternatively, you can restart the car to deactivate track mode. This method provides a complete reset of all systems. The vehicle will automatically revert to normal settings after 30 minutes of inactivity. This safety feature prevents accidental prolonged use of track mode. Always ensure you deactivate track mode before driving on public roads. Track mode is designed exclusively for closed track environments and can compromise safety on regular roads. Double-check that all settings are returned to normal for regular driving conditions. Verify suspension, traction control, and other parameters have reverted to standard configurations. Before activating track mode, ensure your tires are properly prepared for track use. Use soft compound tires designed for maximum grip and check that they're inflated to the recommended pressure for optimal performance and safety. Always disable autopilot before entering track mode, as it's designed for track use only. Take time to familiarize yourself with the track layout, including corners, hazards, and emergency areas. Consider taking professional driving instruction to learn proper track techniques. This will help you maximize performance while maintaining safety, especially if you're new to track driving. After your track session, thoroughly inspect your tires for wear patterns and your brakes for heat damage or pad wear. Replace components as needed to maintain vehicle safety. Above all, prioritize safety in every aspect of track use. Track mode enhances performance, but responsible driving and proper preparation are essential to prevent accidents.